Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a new feature of Screencastify. So what you're going to want to do in order to check out this new feature is first just go to your Screencastify account area, and you're going to want to click on Submit. And this Submit is not you submitting something, but it's where students will submit a video to you. So click that, and then you can create your assignment here. There are some templates that you can use, which I've looked through them just a tiny bit, but I'm going to use one on the second page called Language Assessment. And this is automatically generated language assessment. Obviously, I can change it. And then what I did is I created this short paragraph for my students to read. So I'm just going to paste it right there. And then I can choose right here, recording type, what I want them to do. So webcam only would be just their face, like what you see over here, me doing it over there. If you want to do screen plus webcam, that'll allow you to see their face and then also what they're reading on the screen. So I'm going to do that one. And then over here, you have a few more options that you want to look at. So you can share it directly to Google Classroom, or you can create a link. I'm just going to create a link. And then link privacy is, anyone with a link can do this, or people in my domain. I'm just going to do anyone with a link. And then this video privacy is also important. So when they submit their video, that's it. They can't see their video again. They can't see their classmates' videos. That's what this one is. The second one, they can see their own videos. And the last one, they can all see everyone's videos on that one assignment. Let's just do this so they can see their own videos. And you can give it a point value. Let's leave it at 100. And then email notifications are for me. When the student finishes recording, I get an email that they finished recording. You can turn that off if you don't like that. I'll click Create and Share. A new page will pop up with a link, which is this right here. It's already copied, so I'm going to get that to my students, and then they will go to that link, and it will look like this. And they'll click this. We'll open up that document, and then they'll click Record, and then they can record themselves and that document. You might have to do just a little bit of Screencastify or screen recording training with your students, depending on their age, and make sure that they're looking at the correct screen when they're doing it, but that comes with time. That's pretty easy. I did do this activity once, and what I found is that the email came to me in about 30 seconds or less, notifying me that the student was finished. The email that you get will look kind of like this once you open it, and then you can click on View and Grade Videos. I'm going to do that really quick. This will pop up. You'll see the student that submitted the activity. You can click on it, and then you can obviously watch their video, and you can give them their score. This was for one that I did earlier today that I changed the score to 3 points, but you can give them their score right here. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, if you have more students, you'll have more names and more scores to look at, but that's something you can do to have your students read and submit videos to you using Screencastify. I hope this helps. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hasta luego.